What the fuck makes yawning contagious? You see someone yawn and suddenly your dumbass mouth opens too, like you just caught a social disease. That's not weakness. That's your brain running mirror neurons. Those are copy-paste cells that automatically mimic what other humans do so you can sync up as a group. When you see a yawn, your brain says, hey, this tribe looks tired. Better match their energy. So it fires your motor cortex and forces your jaw open, whether you like it or not. Yawning also boosts oxygen and cools your brain, so when one person yawns, your nervous system assumes everyone's running low on mental gas. It's basically your brain screaming, recharge, idiots. This spreads more in people who have high empathy because their mirror neurons are extra trigger happy. So if you're yawning right now, congratulations. You're socially infected. Follow Mindspring for more about your weird-ass brain